Use it for marketing of your website. Use it in the best way that you can for your needs, and use it while it's there, still knowing that you are not actually the one who owns Facebook. I'm going to talk about that in the bad section. So the nice part is that there's a lot of different ways to set up groups, and it really can be customized for your needs. And that's what we're going to go through next. You are giving people access to something you feel should cost money, whether it's because you're giving it your expertise, you're giving it your time, or you're just creating a really cool space where people can hang out. And that paid membership can happen off of Facebook, and you can use Facebook just as the interactive space, the interactive community where your paid members can interact. Another bad is legal ramifications. And this is huge, everyone. This is huge. So we do live in America, and the legal system is very real and it's very scary, and you should be aware of it.